I will give you my top 5 ideas on how to start a business with ChatGPT. We all know that starting a business can be very hard and very tricky, and ChatGPT will give us the hand to help us with the starting up. Let's dive in. Hi there, Svet. I am CEO of the company. I have staff of 20 people and I'm 25. Although I may not be a full-time expert in personal finance, I have learned a lot along the road and can provide some advices what has and hasn't worked for me. I am hoping to be able to help you with your own financial path by sharing some experience with you. Due to high demand about ChatGPT topic, everyone is interested in how ChatGPT can help us to become a superhuman and how we can 10x our income. So don't worry, stick to the end, I have all answers for you. While chatbots are booming now due to it's so useful in a lot of contexts like digital agencies, marketing, copywriting, and so on, I got a pretty interesting question. Can it help us with personal finance? Can it give us pretty good investment advices, loan securities, and so on? Chatbots are helpful because it's so simple. You just ask question and it just give you a response like a chat. And it can follow your guideline if a robot doesn't understand what actually you need. And the cool thing is it learns by your question. As more question you ask, as more accurate you get responses. And now here is a few ideas how you can use chatbots for your future, for increasing your income, for time management. Consumers can save a lot of time for using financial chatbots, so bot will help you for your financial management. This saves a lot of money for banks because of just they will not need so many people in the support. The good example of chatbot called Erica, it gives a lot of value for their clients. It can start from just simple checking the account balance to even tracking your payment. So huge value. Another major advantage of hiring a chatbot for business is that chatbot can work much longer, like let's say 7-24. It doesn't need breaks, lunch, talks near cooler, and so on. So for business, it will be so high advantage of hiring a chatbot just for saving money. Another important thing what business get from implementing a chatbot to their business is when you have less people, so you need less effort to manage them, and business owners can just focus on the high level business, what gives them much more productivity and much more money from new clients. Another tip is that chatbot will use for marketing and sales. So just imagine, chatbot knows everything about you. You put daily questions to this, AI just learns everything about you, and chatbot can offer you some really good thing what you really need, what you're really looking for, and maybe you even didn't think about this. Another small tip that I personally need and I'm looking for it and hope I will find pretty awesome chatbot about is my personal finance. I sometimes don't know what should I do next. How can I take the better offer from the bank? How can I ask better for credit and so on? How to increase my credit rate? And really would be awesome to have something like this. And this is a small tip and small idea for future. In the short future or even now, chatbots are becoming an employee of month. So it generates leads, it closes deals, it offers better deal for the client because chatbot knows more about client. Also, chatbots can do real-time promotion, what changed the customer journey, and there is no alternative yet for this. I hope I gave you some ideas how you can use AI in future or even build something now and become a billionaire just because you have some game changer tool. Do you like this video and want to learn more about how ChatGPT can help you with making money and invest? Check this video.